Today, Sam and I are doing a painting workshop. But where is he? I'll call him.
What?
Here you are.
Sue, you're insufferable! I'm in the middle of something here. Hey, that's my painting.
Well, this canvas is not good for the workshop.
Then use cardboard. It's pretty good, too. Look, cool stuff, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Actually, I have a great idea. Stay here. I'll draw the first character for, let's say, a coloring book.
I can't see anything. I gotta get closer. It's my turn. I'm gonna color it right now.
Not yet, Sammy. Wait a little longer. I'm just gonna draw a couple more pictures, and then you will color whatever you want.
Now it's definitely time. Let me in. Ah!
Please be patient. I have just one picture left.
Okay, so now in our zoo we have a turtle, a bug, and a unicorn. Sue, help! I'm a bit, stuck in here.
It's the same story as always. Sammy and Scotch tape. There you go. You can color as much as you want. Okay, Sammy, dive in.
All right, I'll make it look so good. Look at this. It's so beautiful. Sue, go faster. Chop, chop. That's it. Phew! Our masterpiece is ready. How does it look?
Did you know it's a multiple-use coloring book? You can easily erase everything and color it again.
Awesome! I want more coloring.
And while Sammy is busy, I can draw on paper. I'm gonna create our favorite slime.
Sue, look! Ouch! Oh, my feta. I'm so sorry.
Never mind, I'll draw on you.
Hey, I'm not growing a mustache yet. Here, now you can draw all you want.
What can we do about this now? Oh, I have an idea. How about a new hack, friends? Any mistake in a drawing can be turned into a masterpiece.
Sue, you've made a mess again. Let me clean it.
Sammy, wait! It's not a mess, it's a flower! Check this out! Paint smudges transformed into pretty petals. Should we draw stems too? I'm in! We shouldn't forget about cute little leaves.
Holy cannoli! Hurry up, Sue. Let's do some more painting.
First, let's get the canvas ready.
There you go. Now you can draw anything you want. Hey, that's mine. Yippee! For the cooking show. Oh, wait. We're filming here. Ugh. Oh.
That's mine! I'm repairing the house. So, excuse me.
Sue, get the tools before he steals them.
Hey, who's gonna fix my house now?
Sorry, Ken, but we really need this for smearing colors for the background.
What is this? Where is this? When will I find it? Huh? It's here! The treasure! Hurry up and take it while I'm on the wash.
Oh, you found yellow paint. It's just what we need. Thank you very much. By the way, Sammy, can you guess what I'm drawing here? Come on, get in here. Any ideas?
Hold on! There are so many yellow objects in the world. I'd better do some research.
Oh, yeah. Well, maybe you need a clue. Watch this.
I've completed a dissertation on colors, but I still don't get it. I should go on a field trip.
Sammy, wait! I'm almost done here. Fellows, can you help our slime with guesses?
Yes, finally I figured it out. It's the sun wearing a hat. La 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 la.
Are you sure about that? Here, take a closer look.
Oh, I was just kidding. I know it's a pineapple. Ow! Help!
Are you okay? Where did that soap come from?
I forgot it after cleaning.
Since we have a sponge, let's do a cool hack with it.
Interesting. I want to participate too. Hop.
Thanks. Now almost all the colors are on a palette.
And pink? Where is pink? Ouch!
That's right. We need some pink paint, too.
Ow! That tickles, Sue. Stop it. Are we ever going to paint? Or keep joking around? Ugh.
Let's get to it.
What about the sun? Where's the sun? Here it is.
It's coming up, and you guessed it right. This will be a mesmerizing sunset. Here's the sunshine you've been dreaming of, Sammy.
It's almost perfect. Add the sun's reflection in the water.
Got it, boss. It's done. So lovely. I'll definitely hang this picture over my bed. Where is it? Is all the paper gone again?
Now show me your modeling walk. Yeah, like this. We should go to the Paris Fashion Week.
Sammy, what is this? Did you use all paper?
Oh yeah, I used it to make costumes. Oh, this is beautiful. Thank you all. I'm so excited too. Waiting for kudos from you. By the way, Sue, you can draw on this.
Seriously? Toilet paper? I'm not gonna draw on it.
You have no sense of humor, Susie. How about this?
It seems like my only option. Okay, let's try drawing on plastic. What would it be?
I am sorry, but I need this marker too.
I guess it's time to put my secret hack to work. We need lots of paint. Now I'll take the second plastic sheet. This picture is going to be lit!
I can do that too! Hop, I'm hopping! Whoa.
But we're far from being done. I've got a couple more hacks up my sleeve. You can draw so many different patterns this way.
Oh, great. Now we're out of paint. Help!
I have an idea.
Huh?
Thanks for your help, Sammy. Phew. Our stocks are full now. Cool. I will show you how to paint a pink flamingo using the palm print. That's a hack Sam taught me when he accidentally got into paint himself.
Sue, look! I'll be your flamingo model.
Okay, the model has landed on the wrong foot. Let's doodle together, shall we?
Then I'm in. Stop. Where's my brush?
Here.
Thanks. Now give me that paper.
Sam, you've been hiding this from me. We'll draw a clear outline using this marker.
Sue, look at me. Guess what part you forgot to draw?
No way! I finished it while you were changing. Our flamingo is ready. That was great.
Help, Sue! We need backup.
Sammy, what's wrong?
It's time trying to say goodbye, that's all.
Did you prank me? Come here! You asked for it!
Do you know how to trace any figure? Turn the lights on. Shine the shadow on the table and put your marker to work. No lines will be hidden. This way we can draw anything we want. We've got a cute little goat on a mountain. Now it's time to color it. These colors are so bright. The important thing is to color everything thoroughly. And it's done! For this new hack, let's make a triangle out of masking tape. Just be creative and forget about the paintbrush. Let's add green blobs right under the blue ones. These colors match great together. Add some bits of yellow to make it brighter. Now take a comb and start combing the paint. Yep, I said what I said. Check out these beautiful zigzags. But here's more. We will add orange blobs to our palette. Let's move on to the red row. Take the comb again. For the very last row, we used purple. Finally, let's get rid of the masking tape. Remove it carefully. Don't smear the drawing. I love perfectly even edges. If you get two felt-tipped pens, why not mix them together? They will swap their colors. Wow, we have a multicolor marker now. Let's try it on this unicorn. Check out how the colors have changed. Add different colors and shades. It's so magical. The unicorn is happy being a part of this, too. We are almost done with this smiling face. Such a cutie. Let's do a hack with masking tape and markers. Just place them in a row and wrap them tight. Here comes the fun part. We draw with all the markers at once. This makes a perfect rainbow. For the final hack, let's tape a piece of paper to the table and sharpen the crayon over it. Let's use different colors. Now smudge the whole thing with your finger. Then draw the second part of the picture in the same way. And again, we're using our magic finger. This hack helps you to create incredible patterns. It's so cool! A real, like northern lights over the mountains. But there's something missing. Let's draw a moon. This time we need only white crumbs. Add some crumbs on the opposite side, too. Smudge it again. The stars and comets are ready.